Okay, I'm just gonna make a small test here. Basically, we have a context here, but it's loaded from a FAISS database, which is this in that case. I added this line, but this is not saved yet. Okay, this is not the actual context. This line is not there, but this is the data that's in. And we have also instruction here that is mostly just answer about what's in the context here. I'll show you the result. It's kind of impressive, but it's not perfect. And I don't think you'd see. So we select that model. We're gonna ask him what is the largest dinosaur. Technically, the answer should be based on that, right? I'm using only CPU, and the setting that are currently set. See, take about we are at like 15 seconds, I think. Yeah, about 15 seconds. So the answer was this. The settings that I'm using is maximum 50 new token, 2 beams, a penalty of 1.5, and the lowest temperature possible. If I test this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like my computer is running. You cannot hear it, but it's running. 12, 14. So we stand at about 30 seconds answer. Yeah. Response text. Blah blah blah. Okay, here. Makes sense. So we got the answer that we wanted on that question. What I want to show you is this is out of scope because the documentation does not specify, but it's still related to a dinosaur. And the issue is it's tricky because maybe the model know how fast the T-Rex run, but I saw that this line is not added. Okay, I saw that you have document here that are hardware component stuff for a brochure for a program, for a solution or whatever. And I suppose that this is the data you actually want to use. So yeah, so see the response here, it's still outside of the scope because it's like we could try by adding dinosaur to it. But it's like it's really strict, and this is what we want because like I understand dinosaur is a big term. I understand what you're trying to do, but this is the most precise result that I had, but it's very strict, and I think it should be based on the context of these brochure and stuff. So see, it's still outside of the scope, and I like it this way. If I add this line and I retry it, sorry, yeah, I'm not sure it's gonna reload it. Wait, let me just do something because I edited the file itself. I don't think it's gonna work, but you can edit the context directly in the UI. I'll show you. We'll see. Okay. So basically, here, just gonna save it this way, so the FAISS can be reloaded, and we're gonna ask the same question. You're gonna see it's gonna work. Exactly what we want. So the context data, the database, if I need to say that, of information need to be complete, because these instructions are very strict. Because if answer only with information provided in the context above, if it's not, that we could try adding a condition that if it's still related to the dinosaur, answer about what you know, and still like create a tag for this, like model based answer. But this would lead to possibility that, like, I don't know what is your use case, but it will rely on the model itself, and it might not be relatable or precise. So that's my opinion about it, and that's what I've been able to do. I'm pretty proud, and this doesn't require any training. You just download the model, it's stored locally, and there is also it's called a sentence transformer model, which is also stored locally. So that's mostly it, guys.